Hi, I'm Roy and I work for the British Nutrition Foundation, and welcome to BNF Healthy Eating Week, one of our cooking sessions. And today I'm going to be making ham sushi. So before we get going, you need to make sure you're ready to cook. So for example, make sure you've washed your hands thoroughly and you've got a clean apron on. Okay, so let's get going. Okay, so here's the ingredients for our ham sushi. So we have some wholemeal bread, we then have some British ham, we then have some great colourful vegetables. So I've got some yellow pepper, some cucumber and carrot. And then lastly, what I've got there is some reduced fat soft cheese. So the first thing I'm going to do is to cut the crusts from the bread. So I'm just going to pop that on the board here, and I'm just going to gently slice away the crusts around the edge. I'm going to keep the crusts because I can make breadcrumbs from them a bit later on. Next, I'm going to slice the cucumber into sticks, making sure they're about the same length. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to put this into a bridge hold and just cut that through. And then here I can then start to make my little sticks. So I think probably the claw grip I'm going to go through, and I'll just do that once again. And you can see here I'm putting some very nice cucumber sticks. Then just take the pepper and make some more sticks. So again, I'm going to use the claw grip. And then lastly, I've got my carrot. So the first thing I need to do is to peel the carrot. So I'm peeling away from myself onto the board. Then turn the carrot around and then peel the other half of the carrot. Then I just top and tail the carrot. Put those in. And then what I want to do, I want to try and keep the same length of the piece of bread. So I'm going to cut that in half using my bridge hold. Cut that through. And then make sure it's nice and firm on the table. And then I'm going to cut that using my claw grip into my carrot sticks. So next you want to make your ham sushi. So get your piece of bread and then just gently press with your rolling pin. Get that as flat as you can. Then just put a little bit of your cheese on top, just spread that over the surface. Looking good. Then top with some ham. Just going to layer that in there so it covers all the areas. Looking good. And then lastly, just put one of your cucumber sticks on the top. Then you just simply roll everything up. Okay, so you have your sushi. Now you need to just cut it into rolls. So each one you're going to cut into 4. And just pop those on the plate. And here you have your final ham sushi. It's a great way to make some really great looking sandwiches. You could try lots of other ingredients. For example, you could use hummus, perhaps different types of vegetables, or rather than ham, you might want to use chicken or perhaps cooked beef instead. So thanks for watching, and please do join in another BNF Healthy Eating Week cooking video as soon as you can. Thanks, bye.